Alright guys, welcome back to another video on DDI Fishing. Behind me, we got this little pond here in Avila where my grandparents live, so hopefully we have a good day today. Not really expecting much, but I mean, there's always a chance we catch like a 5 or 6 pounder, maybe even more here in Florida, because they're about bedding right now. So hope you guys enjoy, and let's see what we can do. Alright guys, got my first one of the day here. Let's see, it's a little bass. It's alright. Been out here for about 45-30 minutes. Haven't got any bites. But yeah. Oh, it's still on. Still on. There it is, guys. Just a little half a pounder, 1 pounder. At least I'm on the board now. Now I can go for some big uns back here in Florida, hopefully bedding soon, or maybe even already happened, I don't even know. But it's alright. Got this one, ran a little Senko, little hook here. I'm gonna let this guy go and go for some big uns. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode on DDI Fishing. Today we're out here in Destin, Florida, northern Florida. We're here fishing some backwaters, I think connected to the ocean, they said. So we're gonna be fishing for some redfish, a couple other species, maybe do a catch and cook for you guys, see what we can do. But yeah, not gonna waste too much of your time. Let's go right in the air and then we'll catch you guys on the water. Big cat on a fish.
Doesn't feel that big.
Let's hope it's a keeper. We're hungry.
It really doesn't feel big at all. No, just a little bit.
Is that an 18? Just a tanker. Hey, I got one. Finally. First one. Yeah. This is pretty sweet. Alright guys, first one. Just grab it and put it in.
Yeah, I mean, look at how big that hole is on his mouth.
Yeah.
Their mouth is really soft.
You got 2 shrimp?
Here's this guy's first one of the day.
Oh, I don't think he ate.
Alright guys, got another one. Might be bigger. A little bit.
A nice one.
No, I don't think it's that nice.
No?
It's a thing.
Must be a red.
It's a redfish.
Red. There goes most.
Yeah.
Is that?
Is that a keeper or no?
Nah, he's too small.
Alright.
You don't catch that fish.
Cool.
It's a pretty good one.
His fins are a lot oranger than the other ones.
Oh, yeah.
Orange, yeah.
That's good. Like a 16-incher, probably. Yeah. Alright guys, so this video I'm filming is all over the place. I know, it's really weird because we were fishing in Tampa, but I only caught one fish, or just a little shot, a couple shots there, and then went fishing as you saw yesterday out in the ocean. We caught like a redfish and a trout, nothing great. But behind us we got some some ponds, not golf course ponds, but some ponds we found on Google Maps, so hopefully we can catch a couple bass for you guys. Some people said it's really good, so hopefully catch a giant here. So yeah, stay tuned. Come on, bite it. All right, guys, my first one. Let's go. Not a bad one. Probably almost a 3-pounder here. It's been about almost an hour. These fish have been really finicky. I was using a Senko, and then I just picked up a little crack and crawl from Guggen Baits, and that did the trick. Right in the top lip. It's a pretty good one. About a 2.5 pounder, I would say. 2 or 3 pounder. Let's get a release on this guy. 3-pounder. Not quite sure, but let's get a release on this guy quietly because there's a couple bass over there. There he goes. All right, guys. Got a big one here. Let's go. Wasn't even recording. I didn't know we had him. Oh, wax. Where are you, Caden? Caden.
By the chocolate milk pond.
Are you walking back?
Yeah.
Okay, hurry up.
All
Alright, guys. That's a 3-pounder. I'm gonna get away on this guy. Alright. It's 2.5. Yeah, 2.5.
Nice size.
Not bad. You get a release on this one? Yeah.
That's a pretty big one.
Almost 3-pounder, 2.5. It's on a little Ned rig. Let this guy go. There he goes. Alright, guys. Oh! Oh! Well, there you have it, guys. I caught it. It counts. Got on shore, but I mean, it kicked off, so whatever. Take that. Third one of the day, second one of this spot. So this little subtle presentation is helping out a lot. So I was using a craw and then a Senko, just wasn't really working too well, but seemed to be liking this little Ned rig, which is good news. All right, guys. Fourth one of the day, guys. Yeah, I got one. Thank you. It's the fourth one. That guy was on a bed too. They're starting to get on some beds here in Florida. I think if we were here another week, the 5-pounders there in here, they're really skittish, would bite. Or obviously when they're on the bed. So I think getting right back on that bed and hopefully catch a couple more. Never know. Guys, hope you guys enjoyed that video on DDI Fishing. It was a tough video to make because, I mean, we were down in Tampa a couple days ago. We fished. Usually it's a great spot, and it turned out to be pretty bad. I only caught one, and then went fishing the ocean, like some backwaters for some redfish and some trout. Only caught one of each. Wasn't very good either. Today we go out. It was actually a grind. I mean, it probably looked like we did pretty well, but we were fishing about 3 or 4 hours, so it wasn't easy. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video on DDI Fishing. Comment down below what kind of video ideas you have in the near future. Subscribe, comment, like, all that good stuff, and we'll catch you guys in another episode.